Hey guys, how are ya? Hope you're doing well. So my name is Fernando. I am a PPF installer here in Sydney, Australia, and I want to share with you guys a little bit about my routine, what I do, about the jobs as well, show the cars that we have to work on, and hopefully you can learn something useful. So behind me, we have the M3. It's a beautiful car. Look at these guys. Looks so nice. So as you can see, I haven't finished yet, but all the edges still need to be done to be finished. I need to posite everything, put all the edges down, do some trimming, and make sure that everything is looking good to the customer pick up maybe Monday. So here on my computer, we do have a software, which the name is FilmCut. So I don't know if you can see properly or clearly, but I do have the front bumper, rear bumper, and the top trunk here. This is already cut out, but this is what I do. So basically, I do some modifications. So I already deleted all the parking sensors, only left the one on the middle and the badge cut out. So this is it's gonna be my starting point. So as soon as I lock this part, the middle section, I work to the left and right, and same to the rear bumper. So this is the first step the first step is by washing the car, cleaning the car, getting the car ready as clean as possible, and then we select the patterns, we cut the patterns, and we go to work. So about this one, if you remember on the pattern that I showed earlier, this goes up. We got a little bit cut out on this corner and then goes down, following this line, this red light, this actually reflector, right? So what I did, I selected all these vertices up to this size and I delete them. So I got a straight cut from this edge down, both sides. And then I deleted this parking sensor as well, right? Why? Because usually we got a finger which is an excess of material following this edge, exactly like this. So to avoid having that, I deleted all these vertices to have the film up to this size, and then I could stretch down and pinch in a little bit. Also, I deleted this parking sensor because I didn't know exactly how much I needed to stretch this way. And then if I stretch it too much to get rid of this finger, the parking sensor could be more up, down, left, or left and down a little bit, like in angle like that. So to avoid problems with this, I deleted so I could work this out, stretching whatever direction I needed. I did a line on the top following this line here. Still need to posite it. And then once I was happy with this edge, this corner here, I followed the line on the top and then down as well. And then later, after I finish everything, I cut the sensor. Okay, so this stage is extremely important. By using the heat gun, we heat the film that is not sticked properly on the surface, and then we activate the glue. So the film become more flexible and the glue more stickier. In that way, we put some pressure on the edges, and then we guarantee that the film is going to stick properly and it's not going to lift by getting debris and dust on the edges and not delivering the best finish, the best result to you, our customer, right? So it's extremely important if you are a PPF installer to do this process for as many times as you can, double checking the car maybe 3 times, 4 times before your delivery, just to make sure that all the corners, all the film is tacked properly on the surface. In that way, all the 10 years or 7 years or 5 years warranty from the film will actually last this long without the need of cutting trimming the edges shorter because the film was lifting. So it's extremely important. Don't skip that and do this properly. So on the timeline, you saw me putting the film, backing rolling the film on this bumper. It's very hard because we got a lot of relief cuts everywhere, and it's very easy to, while you are backing rolling, or I mean putting the film on the surface, to rip it off one of these edges or these corners. So be very careful when you do that. And then when you use a good quality film, usually the backing paper, which is the white film, the back part of the PPF, they kind of, it's easy to untack the film from the backing paper and put on the car.
I get addicted to the wrong things. You come along searching for one thing. One near you and then I'm out here feeling alive. I'm out here feeling alive. You're just like the bad girl. In me, she's the best. Easy with the sad girl. She'll put you to the test. Now she's just a mad girl. Laying on your chest. Let her go out with it. Go up and down with it. You're just like the bad girl. In me, she's the best. Easy with the sad girl. She'll put you to the test. Now she's just a mad girl. Laying on your chest. Let her go out with it. Go up and down with it.
Okay guys, so this is the finished work. So the rear bumper after the install looks very good around the parking sensors and everything. Just let me clear the image a little bit so you can see better. So no inclusions, nothing. The car is very clean. It is looking pretty good. The rear bumper as well. Already posited, finished everything. And yeah, car is good to go. So yeah guys, that's it. If you are around Sydney and need your car repaired, just get in touch with me. Cool, I can help you out figuring out if you need a full front paint protection film on your car or full body PPF like this M3. Just get in touch and we sort it out. Okay, thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video.